our main mission is really to increase global welfare by making biotechnology more accessible. So regardless of what project we're doing, regardless of what that product looks like, that is really the core mission that we have at heart. My name is Alinta. I'm an adjunct associate lecturer at the School of Biotechnology and Biomolecular Sciences at the University of New South Wales, and I'm also the co-founder of Synbiote. At Synbiote, we're making synthetic biology smarter and faster. So do you know how in the manufacturing industry there are really strict quality control procedures to make sure that what we're producing is actually of quality? What we're doing is we've created an analytical method that is able to plug into that system and figure out whether what you're producing is actually good to use or whether you need to start again. In fact, we're the only product that's able to do this in real time and within that quality control pipeline. Me and my co-founder Ismat, we first met while working in a lab that actually specialized in protein purification. So that's the really part of the area that we're actually targeting. So working with this process every day and being really familiar with how it ran, Ismat started to notice areas that could really use improvement and areas that were becoming real bottlenecks in the process. I had previously been involved with a startup before that was in the medical diagnostics space. So using that experience, we really sort of joined forces. Ismat brought the scientific side, I brought the business development side, and Synbiote was really started from there. This was something that we actually had no idea what to do, and we were really kind of lost and felt like we didn't really know where to go. This was a really complex problem, a really complex solution space as well, and we didn't really know where to go. So what we really did was start actually speaking to customers that we thought could actually benefit from the technology, speaking to people in our network, speaking to stakeholders that we thought could use it, and getting their feedback to see whether this was actually a problem that people were having or whether it was one that we had just kind of created in our minds. We were really lucky to go through the Health 10X program in 2021, and we received investment from the George Institute as well as the University of New South Wales. So as stakeholders, these investors have been able to link us to lab facilities as well as the infrastructure and groups around the university. And in turn, we've been able to provide them with a really exciting development opportunity, and we're really grateful that they've been able to see that as well. Our second stakeholder are our actual customers. So these are customers that we're working with in a pilot program that we're running, and in return for using our technology, they're able to get some really useful data and insights into their processes, and we're able to take that and use it for our development as well as our further research goals. So in thinking about how we're actually informing our choices, once we've gotten that user feedback, something really helpful for us was to actually work with our mentors. So these mentors were really helpful for us to bounce ideas off them, let them know which direction we were planning to take, and then hear from their experience. Another really useful avenue and a really useful sort of tool that we tapped into was the help of the community around us. So especially being located in the Founders building, being able to speak to other founders who are on the same journey and seeing where they're up to, what kind of experience they've had with these same problems, has really been helpful for us navigating which way to go next after receiving feedback. We really hope to get other people excited about biotechnology and make it a lot more prevalent in our lives.